High Court of Meghalaya, Shillong. Result of the written examination for the post of Junior Administrative Assistant. Eka result namta ka written examination kepada jongka Junior Administrative Assistant jongka High Court of Meghalaya kelami tekine kiba pass kin haban tho saya ka descriptive examination on the basis of the written examination held on 17 June 2023 for the post of Junior Administrative Assistant in the High Court of Meghalaya. The following candidates are found eligible to sit for the descriptive examination. The candidate shall report for the examination on 26 August 2023 at 10:30 a.m. in the Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Jail Road, Shillong. The name of the candidate are Haibor Rapshan Marbanyang, Arabel Deirdre Lingwa, Balate Shisha Kharluki, Banalari Lendra, Banala Shisha Kharbithai, Bele Dona Kherim, Biwanyo, Daprang Nongbri, Benrap Kuparwar, Dapilahun Shisha Kharluki, Dasuklang Lingdo, Don Boklang Tongni, Effenbeck Pakenteng, Mboklang Khongshun, Frankie Lamare, Gadiala Dingdo Robme, Gideon Normanyang, Godwin Alistair Karpani, Govin Star Lingdo Nongbri, Yok Boklang Khongjo, Joshua Leong Nonghulu, Joyfully Lingxiang, Krau Kupar Soklet, Kiefer Hesberger Khongsit, Labet Nella Khairim, Lebut Kishabong, Leon Gabriel Kharkongor, Lorraine Collins Marbanyang, Lovely Stars Naitang, Man Halang Nongsteng, Maye Binson Marbanyang, Nyeban Sharelang Suting, Monica Shalam, Moon John Pingrup, Nathaniel N. Kharkongor, Wonsmon Watni Nongbri, Peter George Linkhoy, Peter Johnson Kharbani, Prang Janai Khongwir, Pinyaj Dame Pertu, Pinjanai El Thongni, Pinklaibor Thongni, Raksak Ke Sangma, Rijit Lang Chirmang, Rimiki Shalam, Sain Kupar Savian, Skembor Lang Sotun, Susmit Hajong, Walamsuk S. Lalu, Wanebok Lingdo Maunai, Bat Werlan Kharsati. Tebaro kiba long eligible gidon san pongut teki call letter la pha lengba ki speed post sikitu kibala pass kini keteng kibala me. However, a general copy of call letter is displayed with this notice also. Te namta katuru la da pha ra call letter te kan kham slam hi te kitu kibala yo sakan mau ikatarik ada penbena haneng tangin jumtip kubleshbun.